Hello guys, and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about how to use the storytelling voice over on 11 labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11 labs library by going to the 11 labs website first and choosing the voice option. This will bring you to a web page like this, and then you can choose the library option, and then the next step is to choose the narrative and story option here. Now this will load and give us a list of voices we can use for our various stories. We can scroll and sample each voice to make sure it resonates with us, so we can play them.
I flipped the photo over.
So we can choose.
The night was still.
So once we see a voice or hear a voice that is close to what we are aiming for, we can proceed to add them to our voice. See, it says add to my voices. This my voices is a separate section where we can edit them and use them for the text to speech, where we convert our written text to our audio voice. So this is how to use a narrative or storytelling voice on 11labs.io. So if this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one.